Yes, next important short notes from molecular biology is protein targeting, protein sorting, and protein localization. We all know that proteins are synthesized from the ribosomal complex, endoplasmic reticulum, synthesized polypeptide chain like that. How they are reaching their destination through this some complexes, which may be easy, which may be complex. That is, we are going to discuss. So, a cell transports the protein to the respective compartment or area, that is into the cell or outside the cell, that is protein targeting. Okay. So, proteins are distributed between cytosol, biomembrane, mitochondria, nucleus and other organelles, right? Everywhere it is synthesized. After translation, they reach their proper destination for their biological activity. If they are not properly destinated, means biological activity will be lost. If that is, they move from one compartment or one place to another compartment by various mechanisms. You don't worry about the mechanisms, but some mechanisms are there for the transportation of protein from one place to another place. This is carried out by protein targeting, protein sorting, and protein localization. Okay. If this is not properly carried out or not properly done, what will happen? They will go for some disorders. The disorders we have, I am giving only two diseases, very, very important disease. Primary hyperoxaluria type 1, involved in glycine metabolism. Primary hyperoxaluria type 1. You just mentioned the name of the type, name of the disease. Second one is from the fatty acid metabolism, zellweger syndrome and refsums disease. Refsums actually affects the infants. Zellweger syndrome, refsums disease, primary hyperoxaluria type 1 are the disorders produced by protein targeting defects. Okay. What is the mechanism behind this? So, newly synthesized polypeptide chain, after a translation you are having a newly polypeptide chain, has a short sequence of amino acid that is called signal sequence at amino terminal. This is very, very important because this only involves the protein targeting. Newly synthesized polypeptide chain has short segment of amino acid known as signal sequence at amino terminal. So what is the role of this? This only directs the protein to their destination, proper destination, right? So many books giving so many names, don't worry. Signal sequence at amino terminal is very, very important in the polypeptide chain, because this only directs the protein to their proper destination. After this mechanism, we have two types of pathways. One is cytosolic path, another one is secretory path. So through this path, the proteins how entered into the compartments, particular compartments or respective compartments. In cytosolic path, the proteins enters into mitochondria, nucleus and peroxisomes. These are all very, very important for your descriptive points for your protein targeting. Okay, cytosolic pathway allows the protein to enters into mitochondria, nucleus and peroxisomes. Whereas secretory pathway directs the protein to go for endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes and Golgi apparatus. These 2 points are very, very important points for your protein targeting, right? So first you have to mention the definition. This is a concept. This is the definition and functions. If it is not properly, means what are all the diseases? What is the mechanism behind this? What are all the types which transports the proteins to their respective areas? That is why it is called as protein sorting, right? For this, on the whole, protein targeting, sorting, and localization, this sentence is very, very important. Protein targeting always combined with the post-translational modification. Mind it? Protein targeting always combines with the post-translational modification. That is why they are well coordinated. With this coordination only, the proteins are properly destinated. Okay? Bye.